Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today also I'm going to analyze gold forecast for your next week gold trading. So last week my gold forecast video I have told the gold price to upside retracement, that is the accurate gold analysis forecast. My telegram link is below. You can join with and make massive profit from the gold trading. So last week we made good profit from the gold trading, so link is below. You can join with it. So let's see the what will going on next week gold. So I am in a daily chart gold. You can see the price is range in this pattern. This is the triangle pattern, is the daily chart, is the ranging and can be dropped to the below side and upside. That is the two option with the daily side daily chart. So retracement and drop to the below, that's the first option, and the break to the upside, retracement and going to the upside, that's the two option. This will decide next week. Is strong labor data and Powell's speech is on there next week. This is the strong resistance level technically daily chart. This is the 2366 level with daily chart, that is the strong resistance. So daily chart below is a support line is a 2298, 2300 level is the still strong support level. Price couldn't be dropped this level still, though this is the strong support level with the daily chart. This is I am telling technically. You should combine this the fundamental economic data, get the strong trade confirmation. So that's the daily chart confirmation technically. Let's go to the I am going to the 4 hour chart. What is your key zones indicates in the 4 hour chart? Let's see. This is the 4 hour chart. I am seeing this the strong level. This is the maximum pain level. That's the MPA level is a price has reached strong reacted this level several times. You can see rejected from this level. That is the 2335 level. That's the strong resistance level, 2335 level with the 4 hour chart we can see. So price can be break this level, that is your buy opportunity next week. The spike would not break this level, that's your goal is the bearish for your sell opportunity next week. So you should touch with the strong levels in this chart. That's the 4 hour strong level. So break to the upside, that's your buy opportunity, and the break to the downside. And also I am seeing a pattern. This is the strong resistance is upside target, and I am seeing this the strong pattern that this is the left side shoulder, that's the head, that can be a right side shoulder next week. That's a left side head and shoulder pattern, famous reversal pattern. Everyone knows this pattern. So technically this can be head and shoulder pattern next week with the 4 hour chart. So if you wait, so price action what is telling. So let's go to the economic data. What is telling next week's? I am going to the FX Street website. That's the gold investors await Powell's speech and key US data. That's the FX Street website mentions next week Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell's speech. That will be the key for next week. What is Powell telling? That's the hawkish or dovish tone. And the US strong data in next Friday, 5th July, will be released non-farm employment change data. That's the 272K is the previous one. Fed forecast to drop to 189K. And the unemployment rate is also 4%, as the forecast figure is also 4%, and the average hourly earnings 0.4% and forecast to drop to 0.3%. So Fed forecast to drop labor data, labor market, but actual figures will be strong. That will help to dollar demand and gold push to the downside. As the other side, that's the negative labor data, that the labor market will be dropped to the Fed expected, as expected, that's the dollar sell off and gold push to the upside. So that's the dollar demand, gold push to the downside with labor data, and gold sell off with the drop labor data. That will help to gold push to the upside, then this breakout this level and going to the upside. So labor market is the key next week. If you are trading gold US dollar, you always touch with what is the economic data, what is saying. So that's the you should touch with next week labor data regarding US dollar if you are trading gold. So let's see the technically picture 1 hour chart what is saying. So let's see the Fed Watch Tool website what is saying. Interest rate cutting forecast. I am going to the September FOMC meeting. 55% also forecast 25 bps cutoff. This cutoff is not increase. That is telling that the September FOMC meeting also in rate force forecast is still there. That will help to dollar demand. So you should touch with the what is the rate cut forecast. I am always touch with the web Fed Watch Tool website what is saying. So that is the labor market data for expected you should touch with next week. And if you are trading gold, so let's see the technically analysis, technically picture what is saying, what are your next week trade opportunities. So I am going to the trading view chart, gold chart. I am going to the 1 hour chart gold. So 1 hour chart gold what is saying. So I am going to the, this is a 4 hour chart. So I am going to 1 hour chart. So I have already analyzed to the daily and 4 hour chart. This is the 1 hour chart. Price has rejected 2339 level last Friday. This is the support zone next week. So with the 1 hour chart, this is also I am seeing a pattern. This is like this is the left shoulder, this is the head, this can be a right shoulder, and price reversal to the downside can be next week with the strong US dollar, the gold push to the downside. So your sell opportunity this breakout and retest level, your sell opportunity next week. So I am seeing this the 1 hour chart. Those also in can be a left shed and shoulder pattern is there. So that is your opportunity with the 1 hour chart. So if you are trading gold, you should always seeing what is the price action, and you should combine the price action with the economic data fundamentals what is this saying. So is this the, and also the US presidential election is in this week. That is the market uncertainty is going on next week. That's the risk of sentiment that will help to gold demand. So if you are trading gold, you should always touch the market uncertainty. With the market uncertainty, gold can be a demand. That's the goal is the safe haven asset. So get the trade from the smaller time frame confirmation. Risk management is the key for gold trading. So join with my Telegram group for accurate trading. Thank you.